Four-bedroom hall kitchen apartment is what we are showing you today in Ville Parle West. It's a new building, OC Resort project. You have amenities such as rooftop garden and a gymnasium. You see the nice, lovely living area over here. From the living area, you have amazing west open view as well, as you all can see. Very spacious, huge living area. From living area, let's have a look at the kitchen. The kitchen is on my right hand side. Amazing kitchen with parallel countertops as well. From kitchen, let's have a look at the first bedroom. This is the common bedroom over here. Besides common bedroom, you have a common washroom as well. From here, let's come to the second bedroom, which is there again on my right. This bedroom has a washroom attached to it. Now on the other side, you have another two bedrooms over here. The first bedroom is on my right again. Very nice and spacious with washroom attached to it. From third bedroom, let's come to the fourth bedroom. This is also very nice, spacious and huge. The washroom is there on that side. Again, you have a west open view as well on this side. Nice ventilation, new project, OC received, Ville Parle West area, 4 BHK. For pricing, carpet area and other details, please see the description box. Kalpesh Thakkar from National Realtors. Thank you.